Is it audible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So now here the question, the thing is that relations and functions in the second chapter. Once again, I am going to explain to you the what is meant by functions. What is meant by a functions and different types of the functions and their graphs. Let us see today. Okay. So the definition of the function is that if f is a relation from A to B is said to be a function if every element of A has a unique image in B. The simple thing is that the diagrammatical representation when every element of A means in the A whatever the elements are there that all should be used. So diagrammatical representation whenever you see that see this is set A is there and here set B is there. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. Here 5, 6, 7, 8 is there. Suppose let us consider. And this is related to here and this is related to here, this is related to here, this is related to here. Whether it is a function or not. Yes, it is a function. Why? Because it is a function. This relation is function. So whenever you write in a diagrammatical representation, we will use here f like this. So now f, all the elements are there for all are having a unique image. Unique is nothing but only one image. 4 is having one only image, 3 is having one, 2 is having one. You may have the two elements in the domain may have the same image. I am not saying different images. Different images is other thing, that is one function that you are going to learn in higher classes. In your higher classes you will learn it. So now here coming to this one, if anything is not having relation, suppose if in here I have given another relation here with this 1, 2, 3, 4 and here it is given to you 5, 6, 7 and 8. Suppose if it is given to you like this, then it is not a function. This is not function. This is A and this is B. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. All are having an image 6 only. This is called constant function. It is a function. It is having this function is called as a constant function. About the different types of the functions and how their graphs will be there, we will discuss some major things. Okay. Now here in this, the first set whatever you are going to take, it is called as a domain. What is it is called? It is called as domain. Here in this function, domain is A and codomain. Codomain is set B is called a codomain. If a relation is defined, if a function is defined from set A to set B, the function is defined from set A to set B, then set A is called domain and set B is called codomain. And range is nothing but set of all the images. Range is yes. So that suppose if you take what is the range of this function? Can anyone give the reply? Can anyone give the reply?
So 6.
What is the range of this function?
Oh.
First one, first figure.
So 5,
Yes,
6, 7.
set containing the elements 5, 6, 7. What is the domain range of this function? Very good, very good, very good. I am expecting this thing from you. When I ask like that, mostly you will say 5, 6, 7 only. But it is not a function. So what is the range of this function?
6. Huh? 6.
Yes, only the singleton set 6. This is about the function, domain, codomain, and range. So how do we identify when the function is given to you? Function can be given to you in a different formats. Like this diagrammatical representation may be given to you, or it may be given to you roster form. Suppose a function is given to you like this. I have given a function is equals to 1 comma 2, 3 comma 4, 5 comma 6, 7 comma 8. Like this I have given. Whether it is a function or not. I asked you. Whether it is a function or not is my question. Any one of you please give it a reply. One comma two.
Yes,
three comma
sir.
four. It's a function. Is it a function?
Yes, whether it is a
All
Yes,
are
sir.
accepting. All are accepting. It's a function.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
1 comma 2, 3 comma 4, 5 comma 6, 7 comma 8. Anyone? It's a something different question. I'll give the 1 minute time exactly to think about this question. Now the time is 10:57. 1 minute I'll give it to you.
Yes, sir.
All are accepting yes. It's a function. Yes, mostly yes are saying. Think still more. When I see, I am asking specially stressing this one. That means something should be there. Within a 1 minute, I'll come back. Please be on the line, everyone. Within 1 minute, 1 minute only you take. Think about this question. Not more than 1 minute. Okay? You think about this one and don't go out of the class. And don't discuss anything. Everything is recording. If you want, you can discuss. आप लोग डिस्कस कर लो आपस में. मैं नहीं रहूंगा, मैं सुनूंगा भी. बट रिकॉर्ड होता है. That should be there actually. I want that thing. ये function है, but I am saying it is not. I am not saying anything about it. I'll discuss about it within a 1 minute.
Yes.
बहुत ज्यादा कंफ्यूजन
Yes. मेरा दिमाग खराब हो रहा है.
मेरा भी है।
Sometimes है.
Yes. Any conclusion? Any conclusion? I will make it as a function, but I will not make it as a function. I can make it as a function. I cannot. Means question is incomplete. Okay.
Sir, yes,
F,
sir.
F is defined from A to B, where A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and B is equals to natural numbers. Then it is not a function. I have not given what is domain and what is Right. When a function is given to you, if domain and codomain is given only, codomain doesn't matter. If the domain is given to you, then only you can say that whether it is a function or not. So this is a main important point you have to remember. Main important point you have to remember. Is it now is it a function? You tell me. When I gave to you this question, you would have said that, sir, it cannot be said either function or not, because there is no domain. If the domain contains only 1357, then it is a function. If domain contains any element other than the 1357, if it contains any element other than the 1357, then it is not a function. Isn't it? Did you get my point?
Yes,
समझ में
sir.
आया सभी को? अभी मैं ये फंक्शन करना चाहते तो
Yes, sir.
if I want to make it as a function, then what can I do here? 2 हटा दो इधर से, डोमेन से, 4 हटा दो and 6 हटा दो. Now this is a function. But you can say in some cases the given relation is not a function directly. So this is completely another question, second question I am asking. If I am giving f is equals to 1 comma 5, 2 comma 6, 1 comma 7, 3 comma 6, so 3 comma 8, let us say. Whether it is a function or not, I am asking now.
No,
You
sir.
can say no directly, because one is having 2 images directly. It doesn't matter, you don't know the domain and anything. You don't know anything. Then you can say that this is not a function. So the function can be represented, or relation can be represented like in the previous way. The second way is roster form. The another way is with the expression, with the function. Now, actually, originally it will be given to you as with an expression. Suppose if you take this function, if I am taking, this can be written as f of x is equals to x plus 1. If I take 1, it is 2. If I take 3, it is 4. If I take 5, it is 6. If I take 7, it is 8. So function can be given to you like this one expression. Any expression can be given to you. So now with the help of that also you should be able to identify whether the given relation is a function or not. Suppose I will give it to you this question. F is a function defined from natural numbers to natural numbers such that f of x is equal to x square, whether it is a function or not. Whether it is a function or not. Getting confused?
Yes, sir.
Getting confused, or it is a function you are saying?
So it is a function
It is
only.
function only. Okay. Suppose if I given to you here, so why do go for the cube? Then let us take the z. Z. Whether it is a function or not.
Yes, sir.
अभी भी function है.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If I am changing, yes, it is a function. I will explain to you. If I am changing to the rational numbers, this function only, rational numbers to the natural numbers, whether it is a function or not. Is it audible to you and visible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes. You tell me now whether it is a function or not.
No,
Why
sir.
not?
Sir, suppose we take 1 by 2, it is a rational number, but 1 by 4, which is not a rational
Yes.
number.
If you take here 1 by 2 x value, you are going to get 1 by 4. But 1 by 4 is not there in the natural numbers. So that means 1 by 2 will not have the any image. There is no image for 1 by 2. There is not only 1 by 2, there is no image for the elements which are present in the this set q minus n, set of the rational numbers minus natural numbers. Means minus is little bit different. Other than the natural numbers, any number you take, for that there is no square. There is no square in the given domain. Now in this situation, to make this function as a function, ये function करना चाहते हैं, ये क्यों करो, function हो गया. Did you get my
Yes,
point?
sir.
That's all. Very simple thing is that. So now let us go. Did you get my point here very clearly? Huh? So now let us see some different types of the functions. Okay. The first is and their graphs. Identity function. So which function is called identity function and how the graph of the identity function will be there. If a function is f of x is equals to x, for all x belongs to the any set, if you take into consider f of x is equals to x, if you are taking into consider, then this function is called as a identity function. If f is different from the a to b, a and b are any set, then if the f of x equals to x, then that function is called as a identity function. It may be taken real numbers to real numbers, it may be taken the natural numbers to natural number. If you take that function, because if you see, simple thing is that here if you are having what a 1, 2, 3, 4 is there, and here if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, but both here sets should be same sets. A to A better you take here. A to A. Are you better normally it is represented real number. So if it is real numbers to real, it is not having the mapping 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. This one is called as the identity. The graph of the identity function, whenever you observe the graph of the identity function like this. Line y is equals to x. If you take the 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, not like this. This is a graph of the identity function. And the next thing is, second one is constant. Constant. Already I told you constant function is nothing but f is, if it is defined from the real numbers to real numbers, f of x is equals to some k. Only k is your having. K belongs to the real number. K belongs to the real. That means whatever the element you take, that is mapped to the mapping. We can call the another name of the function is function. Another name is okay. Another name of the function is a mapping also. We can call it as a mapping, and this is a constant. So whenever you take into consider, this function is called as a constant function. Can anyone say the board is not visible? For all visible, blur हो गया.